Crash course on Denmark, geolocation, natural landscapes, outdoor adventures. Denmark, a small but remarkable country in Northern Europe, offers a unique blend of natural beauty, captivating landscapes, and thrilling outdoor adventures. Situated on the Scandinavian peninsula, Denmark is known for its picturesque coastlines, charming islands, and vibrant cities. Let's explore the country's geographical uniqueness, stunning natural landscapes, and the abundance of outdoor activities that await visitors. Denmark's geolocation uniqueness. Denmark is located in northern Europe and is bordered by Germany to the south. It consists of the Jutland Peninsula and numerous islands, including Zealand, Funen, and Bornholm. The country's strategic location has influenced its rich history and cultural heritage, making it a crossroads of Scandinavian and European influences. Stunning natural landscapes. Denmark's landscapes offer a diverse range of beauty, from rolling countryside to pristine beaches and picturesque islands. The Danish coastline stretches for approximately 7,300 kilometers, providing ample opportunities for beach lovers and water enthusiasts. National parks and outdoor adventures. Denmark boasts several national parks that preserve and showcase the country's natural treasures. Ranging from dense forests to sand dunes, these parks offer a chance to immerse oneself in Denmark's pristine natural environment. Outdoor enthusiasts can engage in activities such as hiking, cycling, kayaking, and birdwatching in these scenic areas. Interesting stories and examples. The Wadden Sea, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a unique natural wonder that spans Denmark, Germany, and the Netherlands. It is a sanctuary for countless migratory birds and home to diverse marine life. Visitors can join guided tours or embark on a seal safari to witness the breathtaking beauty of this coastal ecosystem. Denmark's top 12 attractions. 1. The Little Mermaid statue in Copenhagen, a renowned symbol of the city and inspired by Hans Christian Andersen's fairy tale. 2. Tivoli Gardens, one of the world's oldest amusement parks, offering thrilling rides, beautiful gardens, and live performances. 3. Nyhavn, a picturesque waterfront district in Copenhagen, famous for its colorful buildings, cafes, and entertainment. 4. Kronborg Castle, known as Elsinore in Shakespeare's Hamlet, this impressive castle is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. 5. Legoland Billund, a paradise for LEGO enthusiasts, featuring intricate models, themed rides, and interactive exhibits. 6. The National Museum of Denmark, showcasing Danish history and culture through fascinating artifacts and exhibits. 7. Aarhus Old Town, step back in time and explore this open-air museum that recreates life in 19th century Denmark. 8. Ribe, Denmark's oldest town, known for its well-preserved medieval architecture and charming cobblestone streets. 9. Skagen, a picturesque coastal town renowned for its vibrant art scene and the meeting point of the North and Baltic Seas. 10. Mons Klint, impressive chalk cliffs on the island of Møn, offering stunning views of the Baltic Sea. 11. Bornholm, an enchanting island with rocky coastlines, beautiful beaches, and medieval ruins. 12. Aalborg Zoo, a family-friendly attraction housing a wide variety of animals and featuring educational exhibits. Summarize. Denmark's unique geolocation, stunning natural landscapes, and diverse range of attractions make it a captivating destination for travelers. From the charming streets of Copenhagen to the serene beauty of national parks and the excitement of amusement parks, Denmark offers something for everyone. Poem. In Denmark's embrace, nature's marvels unfold. Coastlines and islands, a sight to behold. National parks beckon, with forests so grand. A paradise for adventurers, a tranquil wonderland. Copenhagen's Little Mermaid, a tale to be told. Nyhavn's vibrant hues, stories of old. Tivoli Gardens enchant, with rides in the air. Laughter and joy, memories to share. Kronborg Castle stands proud, Shakespeare's domain. Legoland sparks imaginations, a creative terrain. Aarhus Old Town, history's embrace. Ribe's cobblestone streets, a glimpse of grace. Skagen's art scene thrives, where seas unite. Mons Klint's cliffs shimmer, bathed in sunlight. Bornholm's rocky shores, a peaceful retreat. Aalborg Zoo's wonders, creatures we meet. Denmark's wonders await, from coast to town. A treasure trove of beauty, a traveler's crown. Discover this land, with joy and glee. Denmark's allure, a sight to see. Verse 1. In the land of Denmark, where stories unfold. A symphony of beauty, a tale to be told. From the mountains to the sea, nature's grand design. A world of wonder, where dreams align. Chorus. Oh, Denmark, land of mystery. A treasure trove of history. With each step we take, a new chapter begins. In this enchanting land, our adventure never ends. Verse 2. In Copenhagen's embrace, the little mermaid stands. A symbol of love, by the sea's soft sands. Newhound's colors dance, reflections in the tide. A kaleidoscope of life, where hearts collide. Chorus. Oh, Denmark, land of mystery. A treasure trove of history. With each step we take, a new chapter begins. In this enchanting land, our adventure never ends. Bridge. Kronborg Castle, a fortress of old. Where tales of Hamlet forever unfold. Legoland's magic, a world of dreams. Where imagination reigns and joy redeems. Verse 3. Aarhus Old Town, with stories untold. In cobblestone streets, history unfolds. Ribe's medieval charm, its ancient grace. Time stands still, in this timeless place. Chorus. Oh, Denmark, land of mystery. A treasure trove of history. With each step we take, a new chapter begins. In this enchanting land, our adventure never ends. Outro. Denmark's wonders, a symphony so grand. From city to countryside, it's time to take a stand. In this land of enchantment, we find our way. Oh, Denmark, in your embrace, we'll forever stay. Ending note. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. A = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our NHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.